In 10 years, where I hope to see hydrogen is well past the point of discussion and to the point where we're into commercialization. Over the next 10 years is the real task for hydrogen. We have to move into the point where we can prove out these new technologies and applications and bring them to commercial scale.
We see at the moment a many-fold of ideas and projects and visions, and I'm really convinced that in 10 years we'll have hydrogen as a commodity in industrial feedstock, as a very important point of the energy transition in Europe.
Hydrogen is basically the key to be able to decarbonize. There are so many hard-to-abate sectors that we would have no chance of decarbonizing without hydrogen. So we need this perfect green molecule to be able to make CO2-free steel, etc., etc.
Hydrogen and electrification, they have the potential to really become allies. In 10 years from now, I would envision a future where green hydrogen is produced, where we have a surplus of renewable energy. So next to that, I would envision a future where we then have in place a European hydrogen backbone so that we can bring the hydrogen to, for example, Bavaria in Germany, or to the chemical or steel industry, whoever needs it.
I think in 10 years hydrogen will be a big industry, and we are going to be part of something which is crucial for energy supply. We're going to play our part in solving the current energy crisis, and of course Nel wants to be part of that. We're going to do what we can in order to bring the cost of electrolysis down.
Airbus is preparing the technology, the flight test demonstration, and ultimately an aircraft. We have an ambition to have an entry into service of a zero-emission hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035.
I think in 10 years' time we will have a big penetration, if you will, of hydrogen in the energy mix. Especially we're talking about green hydrogen that comes from water electrolysis. We want to play a protagonistic role there in the whole value chain, if you will.
In 10 years, we would see a liquid market for hydrogen. Hydrogen is going to be indispensable for delivering on our climate targets in Europe. I also think in 10 years from now, when we look back, only because we suddenly started to become pragmatic and we put on speed, we actually succeeded in delivering the energy transition.